Hey everybody, Andrew with Suds to Success podcast. We're going to do in this video as a quick tip how to clean leather seats and fabric seats. We're going to go into quick and easy way, no extractors, no nonsense, super quick, super efficient. Let's get into it. All right, step one is always put gloves on. Whenever you're using chemicals, I always like to put gloves on. If you don't, you can dry out your skin, you can get reactions. It's also not good for you. A few things we're going to go over in this video. Regular interior scrub pad. Tons of companies make these. They're very generic. I think these are Max Shine, but it doesn't matter. We do have it in a bucket of rinseless wash that we do when we're wiping down the inside of the car. Just kind of throw it in there. What that does is gives you a bit of lubrication. Regular microfiber towels. These are Kirkland, whatever you like, doesn't matter. This is what's important. So this product's made by Hi-Tech. It's rebranded by a bunch of different companies. So look up this interior foam. It's usually for carpeting or whatever. It's not the cheapest product. So when you're looking like, oh, it's kind of expensive. What's nice about it is how quick this works. We use this on fabric seats and leather seats. So you can use on vinyl, anything. When you're doing it on leather, I like to use just a microfiber scrub pad, spray it with the foam. It's going to clean all this all off so you can see. This leather is super shiny. What this tells me is it's super dirty because all the oils and everything from sitting on it and grime, it's dirty. Whenever leather is shiny, shiny leather is dirty leather. So we want to get this cleaned up. I'm going to go over in the end how to do fabric seats. This is super easy. I'm going to try and do this half and then leave that half. So we're just going to spray this on. It is a foam, smells like wintergreen. So if your vendor that you're dealing with has it and it smells like wintergreen, it's the exact same product. It's made by Hi-Tech. Tons of companies have it. You're looking for upholstery foam in a can. What we're going to do is leave this on here for a few seconds. It's just going to do its thing. And you hear it probably, if you might not be able to hear it, but it's bubbling, you can hear it like popping. All you're going to do is get your scrubber. And it is also possible, like when we're done cleaning this, it might still be black. Like that is 100% okay. It might still be dirty. Reason why is it could be stained. Like that's fine. What we're looking for is to get that oil off. And what you're gonna be able to feel is the difference in the feeling. It's not gonna be as slippery. It's not gonna be as grabby. It's gonna feel like what it felt like when it was new, which isn't greasy. We don't put any dressings on any of this. And the reason why is it makes it greasy and icky. And with this, it's just gonna be clean and nice. So all you're gonna do, get your towel. Main thing, is it still stained? Yes. There's a lot of spots are a lot cleaner than they were, 100%. Could I hit this again? Yeah, you could go over it again. You might still get some wear marks. Like these are wear marks from the car being old, same with over here. So is there a big difference? Yeah, you can also feel it. It's not shiny anymore. This has a lot of reflection, same with back here. A lot of body oils, a lot of grime. You could hit this again because it's a pretty dirty seat. But what the foam does, makes it easy, so you can just spray it, wipe it, you're done. If you're doing this on a fabric seat, very similar. You can actually use a rotary polisher with a wool pad. You can do that. This, you can use a microfiber pad. Do I recommend it all the time? No, it's not needed. You can see the chemical does most of the work here. And this is very quick. If you're doing a fabric seat, why I recommend this on all fabric seats, it doesn't get it so wet. I never extract nothing. I don't have an extractor that we use often. It's literally a little Bissell in a compartment up on the toppest part of my shop that we barely ever use. All you do, spray your seats down with this, scrub them. If they're very dirty, use the rotary with a wool pad on it and go over it. All it does is agitates it really well. If after you're done that, they're still stained, they're just gonna be stained. If you get the seat super wet, it's not fun for the customer. You're getting a ton of water into that car. You're getting all of your airbag sensors full of water. You can make them fault. You can cause problems. Spray this. The only thing you're worried about cleaning anyway is gonna be the top layer of the seat that the customer sees. You're not gonna get into the foam. You watch all these videos about carpet cleaning and blah, 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 blah. Clean the top layer of your seat. That's all you need. If in the event there was a spill, like let's say they spilled milk, yeah, an extractor makes more sense. You're getting stuff out of it. If it's just regular grime, just use this. It's gonna save you a ton of time. Your customers are going into cars that don't have wet seats. Don't have to worry about leaving their windows cracked for a day. None of that. It's gonna save you tons of time, tons of money. If you guys have any questions about how to clean seats, leather seats, quick and efficient, don't forget to ask. Talk to you soon.